19.
All right, good. Let's do it together. So, but
Okay.
to answer your email question for our study,
Yeah.
if you'll go to CBS and find the exact same things, that's why I gave you the details I did. You put the price there because it's a dependent test. So my choice made your choice. You have to choose the same thing I chose. Do you know what I mean?
Okay. Yeah. I have a CVS like right around the corner from my house. I can go do that.
Okay. And I figured you could just print that and then write it in and bring it home, however is easiest for you. I actually took my computer over and did it while I was standing there.
Oh, that works. Yeah. I'll probably just write it, and then I'll come home and type it. But if that works, then more power to you.
Okay, so I think that's going to be a super easy study. Super, super easy.
That's fine.
Yeah, and he approved it. He approved that, so we're in good shape.
Oh, we're good then.
Okay, and we can help each other on all the steps. I'm not, I'm not going to just throw my hands up and say, you finish it. We can work together.
No, yeah, so we just worked hand in hand. Let me know what I have to do, whatever I can do to help. Just let me know, and I'll be able to do it.
Yeah, okay. So, well, we'll read the instructions as we go along and see what we have to do. I know that the stuff for this week is to gather the stuff, but I haven't read the instructions yet. So after this, we'll move on to that.
All right, sounds good.
All right, so let's focus mainly on 19. Let's just go over the quiz for 18. Did you turn it in at once already?
Yeah, I already turned it in, and just because there were some, even there were some where I kept, like number 14, 15, and 16, I could not get the right. I thought I was plugging in the right information XL, but I was still not getting close to the P1 or the P2. I was getting 0.859, 0.855, and the answers were 0.141 and 0.145. So I was way off on the P values.
On number 14 and 15?
Yeah, I was way way off. Like I wasn't even close. I was at 0.8, not 0.1 where I should have been.
All right, should we do it? Do you want to do them?
Yeah, let's just do it because I tried to get around it, but I was not getting close to what the answer was. I'm like, oh, okay, now I'm just.
All right, let's go. I'll bring it up because I was on 19, so I'll bring up 18. Because the only one I missed on 18 was 6, and I have the right answer now, but that's the only one I missed. So,
when it asked for the point estimate, it wasn't asking. I was confused. Like, is there a formula I'm supposed to know, or I was confused on the point estimate and the margin of error. I can't remember the.
Okay, I don't know the answer to the point estimate. I don't know that one either, but I know how to get the margin of error. Okay.
Okay.
So first of all, let's pull up the. Let's go back to the question. So group. So we're doing what? 18 group meeting quiz, right?
Yeah, correct.
Group meeting quiz. Okay. Okay. All right. So. Yeah, I wrote to Brother Wilcox today and asked him what the point estimate was. I didn't know either. All right. So, all right. So it's the 2 proportion thing, right?
Correct.
Okay. Okay. So let's put it in, and you want to do 14 and 15?
Yeah, because I was just not getting close to. I was getting 0.8. I was getting 0.8 and 0.8, and the answers were 0.1. So I was.
All right. Okay.
I don't know if I just. Yeah.
Okay. So let's do 17 homework quiz. No, 18 homework quiz. No, 18 group quiz. 18 group quiz, right? Okay. So for number 9, you have to go back to the question for 9. Let's start with that. So it says that you've got so group 1, wait a minute. Did you put this into the data file?
Yeah. Yeah. I thought I plugged everything in right.
All right, well, let's put it in together. So,
Okay.
so you've got, which one is group 1? Research was given, here it is the proportion of hard to, all right, P1 is the portions of patients who had a heart attack and were admitted on a weekday and died. So that would have been 16713 for X1, right?
What was X1? Sorry, 0 point what?
No, it'd be 16713. No zeros. So are you looking at the weekday weekend thing?
Yeah, no, yeah, I have that, yeah, for the heart attacks.
So it's asking, the P1, it says, are the patients who had a heart attack were admitted on a weekday and died. So that would be the first number in there, 16713.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's put that in the first one.
Okay.
3. All right, the second one is the total. So that would be 118519. Because that's the whole number. N is always the number of the study.
Okay. What was that number again? You're cutting out for a second.
118. Well, why aren't you seeing this on your screen right now?
No, I already submitted it.
Oh, all right. Well then, okay. So are you in the square thing?
Yeah, I'm in. No, I have all my Excel stuff up right now.
All right. All right. So it's 118, 519. Why don't you not submit it the second time until we do it? Then you can see the question.
Yeah, I don't know. I guess I was just in a hurry, just trying to get to lesson 19 because we're going to work on that. So that was my fault. I was trying to get done to lesson 19.
Yeah, but you don't have to submit it. You can go back and submit it today. You can go on to 19 without submitting 18.
Oh, okay. That's my fault. I guess I was going to mess up with the due dates.
Yeah, and you can also, like, all of 16, 17, 18, and 19 are due tomorrow.
Oh, wow. Okay. Okay.
Right, and the homeworks are due, I think it's Saturday.
Oh, okay. I guess I'm just jumping the gun too fast there and not being patient enough.
All right.
I thought it was later. I thought it was like right away.
All right. So X2 would be 6155.
Okay.
And then the N for that one is 42447.
And what was N1 again? Sorry.
N1 was 118519.
Okay, okay, I see what they're.
All right, and then they want to know if the patients who die on a weekday are less likely to die than the ones that die on the weekend. So it would be less than in the type of test. So P1 less than P2.
Yeah, that I have. I got that. Yeah, so I have that part that way, the type of test.
All right. So then the question, the one you were question number 14, question number 14 is use the data table to find P1. Well, P1 is, do you see it right there under descriptive statistics at 0.141?
No, yeah, I've seen the answers now, but I just plugged everything in wrong, so that's why I got some weird answer. But when I plugged that stuff in the way you showed me, then I got everything showed up with the right answer. So I just plugged it in wrong.
All right. Okay. Have you done 18 homework quiz?
I have not started that yet. No.
All right. Okay. Well, go to that for me for a minute. Go to homework quiz number 18. I want to go through question number 10.
Okay, let me just pull it up here real fast.
Tell me what you think this is.
All right, number 10.
Yeah.
Okay, let me see. Oh, I'm confused. I'm confused. It starts out as American, so it starts out like as a whole, and then kind of just switches to she just does her hometown. So I'm not sure if it's 2 or 1 she's doing. Comparing her hometown to the average credit card balance of Americans. Is that what she's trying to do here?
Yeah.
Let's see.
Oh, well, you don't know either.
I'm confused. Like, I don't know. There's so many options too. It's like almost 7 options. That's like, and the way they word it, I'm just like, it starts off as a 1, but then like, I'm not sure if they just wants to focus on the 1, what the statistic student is doing, or just is she comparing her hometown compared to the average credit card balance? I'm like, okay, I don't know what's the specific question he's looking for.
All right. All right. Let's go to 19. Let's go to group quiz number 19. Let's just do each question together.
Oh yeah, let's check it out and see what we have here. Let me see, 19. All right.
Okay, so let's start with number 3.
Yeah.
I think it's D.
It is independent gender voting or let's see. So a public opinion will pull service of the standard. 1,000 voters respond. Yeah, I would go with D. That makes. I'm looking at the options right now. That one make more sense specific to the question.
Okay, well, I'm looking at my notes. I'll tell you what has helped me a ton is I've been printing out the PowerPoint notes, PowerPoint slides that are at the first of each chapter. That's been helping me a ton. So, okay, so it says here that the null and alternative hypothesis is, the hypothesis is the row variable and the column variable are independent, and the hypothesis is that the row variable and the column variable are not independent. So that's that's D. Okay, number 4. What is the equation for computing the degrees of freedom? So the thing is observed count minus expected count divided by expected count. No, that's the test statistics, sorry. No, the degrees of difference is R minus 1
Yeah.
times C minus 1. So that would be R minus 1 times C minus 1. Minus 1. So it's definitely not A. It must be C.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
All right. All right. So number 5, what is the correct choice for degrees of freedom for this problem? What is the correct choice?
So that when we start plugging things in.
All right. So now, yeah. So now I think we need to plug it into the chi-square.
Yeah. So do we enter in just as same as it looks, like all across?
I would put in column 1, 250 and 200. And then row 2 is 200. And then there is no row 3.
All right. What would row 3? What about
there is
what
no
about the total? We're not.
All right, and 2 is 300. No total? 300 and 150. Yeah. And there is no row 3. And then independent is 50, 50, just 50 and 50.
Okay, got that.
50. Delete. And there is no column 4.
Okay, so we don't do anything with total at all?
Yeah, it automatically printed it. Look at the bottom of your things. It shows totals 450, 450, 100. You see it under the purple?
Yeah. I'm looking at it right now.
Okay. So the question is, what is the correct choice for degrees of freedom? So go over to degrees of freedom under the chi-square test is 2. You see that?
Yep, that's what I have.
All right, let's put that.
Yeah.
All right. I think this is how we should do it, Drew. Because this is the way we do it before is there's no point. Because we both have the answer. All right, number 6.
Yeah, we actually,
are the requirements for conducting X2 tests for independence met by this data set? So all the numbers in the chi-square sums have to be above 5. And they're not.
So what we're looking at says are the requirements for conducting an X2 test for independence met by this data. So we're looking in.
So they are not met. No, they're
Well, where's X2 on the data? That's what I'm trying to figure out.
That's just the test we're doing right now.
Oh, okay.
Oh, wait. No, okay. So the expected are, okay, it's under the purple, and where it shows row 1 and row 2.
Yeah.
The expected numbers, it's 27, 27, and 60, and 180, 180, and 40.
Yeah.
So, yes, there are 5 observed counts in it. No. Yes, there are at least 5 expected counts in each cell. So it'd be A.
A, okay. We're looking at the bottom, like the 252. Let's see.
No, look at the line that says expected.
Okay, that's what I'm looking at.
270, 270, and 60. And
Yeah,
180, 180, and 40.
correct.
Okay, all right. Okay, number 7. What is the value of X2 test statistic? I don't know what the test. Oh, it's there. It's right there. It's 16.204. You see it?
That's what's popping up.
Test?
Yes, on the chi-square test column.
Yeah, all right, 16.204. All right. And number 8, what's the p-value? The p-value is
0.0003.
Yeah, round to 3 decimals, so it would be 0. Right? Because the 3 is in the 4th decimal. Okay, number 9. So the p-value is less than the level of significance. So you reject the null. So there is sufficient evidence. So there is sufficient evidence to suggest that outnumber the Republicans. It would be A.
Looking at A, so there is sufficient evidence to.
I don't know. I don't know if it's A. I don't know if it's A or E. It's one of the two. It's either A or E.
That's right. All right, independent.
I'm guessing E. I'm going to put E.
There's not other independent.
No, that they are independent.
They are independent. Yeah, that's what I meant to say. Yeah, let's go with E because it's either A or E because there's sufficient evidence that we're looking at here.
Okay, number 10. New set of data. I'm sure we are going to put this in the
Yeah, so yeah, we plug these into the chi-square.
I wonder, what I'm wondering is if we can just copy and paste it in. Should we try
I think a whole lot easier. That'll be a lot easier if we can.
Okay, I can't from this, but if we pull up the chiropractor one, we may be able to. So I'll try that.
Yeah, let me see. Okay, I'll pull it up right now too.
Oh. I don't know that that's helping.
No, it's kind of, yeah, they're all like all out of order compared to like the chart.
Well, wait though, wait. It's like the NOVA one. If you put all of the Europe in one, and then all of the Australia in one, and then all of the United States in one, maybe that'll work.
Let me see.
But you'd have to do it sideways, right?
Yeah, it's doing everything sideways. That's what it's doing.
Huh.
I don't know how that sideways. I'll see if I can.
All right, I think I'm gonna just do it by hand. No, because the totals are at the bottom. So let's do it that way. Let's use that.
All right, what we're trying to do? So I heard the totals are at the bottom. I heard that.
All right, let me go back. All right, so if we take the Europe and copy that and put it into column 1. Yeah, that's going to work. All right, then take all the Australia. That's column 2. And then United States. They wouldn't have designed this if we couldn't do this.
So I do this by country. Like,
paste. All right, so then I've got, all right, so if I get rid of this, I have the same, totals, 401, 481, and 553 that they have in this thing. So that's going to work. That's going to work fine. So do you have totals?
I'm finishing that up.
Do you have totals 401?
I'm finishing up right.
Okay.
The United States right now. One for total 481 and 553 for total.
Okay, me too. All right. Okay, we're good. Okay, so let's do the questions.
Okay.
So the question. Hey, wait a minute. This gives us the answer to that last one. So if we reject the null, it's because they are not independent. So it would be A instead of D. Wait a minute.
What question are we looking?
I don't know. All right, I'm going to go on because this is, we get the answers to this. So, all right, the conditions for conducting the chi-square test for independence are satisfied. So again, let's look up the expecteds, and it looks to me like they're all way over 5.
No, yeah, they're all way past 5.
Okay, so true. So number 11, what are the degrees of freedom?
Looks like 8.
8. Okay. See? Oh, this is so easy. We need an easy one. Yay. And 9. The test statistic is 7.436.
Yep.
Okay. And 13. 0.490.
Yep.
Okay. 14. All right. So what was our level of thing? 0.05. So our P is greater than.
So we failed.
So we failed to reject. So we have insufficient evidence.
Correct. So would it be B?
Yeah, I think so. All right, I'll go ahead and submit, and then we'll do the answers. Of course, we get the answers, so it's irrelevant, but.
Yeah.
All right. 3 is correct. It's A, B, C. 4 is correct. It was C. 5 is correct. It's 2. 6 is A. 7 was 16.204. 8 was 0. 9 was A. 10 was true. 11 was 8. 12 was 7.436. 13 was 0.49. 14 was B. And we got them all right.
Yeah, that wasn't bad at all. Makes doing it this way.
Okay. Now that we're almost at the end, right? Okay. So we got to do that CVS thing. You know what? While we're both on, let's read the instructions. Let's figure out what we have to do with that. The group collaboration, I think it was in 18. Let me look back and see.
Okay.
I have trouble navigating this site, going back and forth to things.
Yeah, no, yeah. I have so many tabs open. I'm always jumping back and forth.
Somewhere where there was directions for our project, and now I don't see it.
Let me see.
Oh, here it is. Here it is. Final group project. Okay. Collect and describe the data directions. Okay, there's a Word document, and it says, list the names of your final group members. Group name. When are we group 9? I just put Drew and Vicky. I'm just going to put Drew and Vicky.
So. Yeah. I think we were remember the beginning. I don't really remember. I think it's 9. It's somewhere single digit.
All right, I'm typing this, so you don't need to. You know where I am? I'm on the final project, collect and describe the data.
Oh yeah, I see. I'm looking at it right now.
Okay, so state your research question. Our research question was, is the cost of vitamins different? Let's have it be a two-tailed test.
Yeah.
In Rexburg, Idaho, and Concord, California. All right.
Correct.
All right. Provide a short summary of what you learned while collecting your data. Describe where and how you collected your data. Was there a situation you had not anticipated? How did you handle it? Use complete sentences and be coherent in your writing. Okay, I'll do it in Word, and then I'll copy and paste into this. And attach the data you collected. So we'll have to wait for you to finish this, but I don't think it's due. It's probably not due till the end of this week.
Yeah, it's due the 26th, so not till, not till Saturday.
All right, and he's been pretty lenient about that. So
he has been, yes.
All right, attach the data you collected. So we'll attach our the Excel sheet.
Yeah.
And then okay. All right, let's finish this. I'll do that paragraph. I'll send you a copy of this, and then once then once you finish the data, we'll answer the describe the data one. Okay?
Yeah, that works. Yeah, I plan on going to CVS at 7 in the morning when it opens. I'm just gonna take the data, and I already copied and paste and saved the Excel that you gave. I'm just gonna take that with me and find the price in California that I'll give to you first thing tomorrow morning.
Okay. I hope it's easy for you. I hope that it'll make sense, because there's a ton of different things, but I tried to give you as much information as I could.
No, it works. No, yeah, because I know the CVS has the same exact brand, CVS and Nature Made. So they do have the same exact brands as the ones you share. So they are there.
Okay. Okay. I have to work late tomorrow night, so we can go ahead and turn in the stuff that's due today and just email like we've been doing.
Okay, sounds good. Thank you so much for meeting with me tonight, Vicki.
Okay, bye-bye.